adhering to the mission of making industrial cleaning easier. Sinobakr, we have been deeply engaged in the field of industrial cleaning for 25 years. Through continuous exploration and innovation in ultrasonic technology, Sinobakr have developed the automatic solvent cleaning machine, CNC compound high-pressure burring and cleaning equipment, as well as various industrial cleaning equipments, who have become an industrial cleaner, innovation solution provider, integrated with R&D production marketing and after-sales service. Sinobakr have been awarded as the High-Tech Enterprise, Specialized and Innovative Enterprises, and Green Factory to pass the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and the European Union CE Standard certification in 2008. It has amateur production and research and development base of more than 20,000 cubic meters, more than 50 sales engineers, a high-end research team of more than 40 people, and more than 10 industries analysis experts. Till now, Sinobakr has provided standardized solutions for more than 200 industries, with most cost-effective industrial cleaning solutions. Adhere customer first and altruism values. Sinobakr has established long-term strategic cooperation with more than 80 industry customers, including Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Tesla, Volkswagen, ThyssenKrupp, ZF Friedrichshafen, Federal Mobile, and Festo, etc. Actively responds to the strategy of China, Europe economic and trade cooperation, which products are widely exported over Europe, Americas, Australia, Southeast Asia, etc., serving more than 500 overseas enterprises, wide in more than 80 countries. It contributes its modest strength to the world's business card of Made in China.